Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into the cozy world of fall fragrances with what can only be described as the best pumpkin spice potpourri on the market. That's right, folks. There's nothing quite like the inviting aroma of pumpkin spice to set the mood as the leaves turn golden and the air becomes crisp. Imagine walking into your home, and the first thing that greets you is the warm, nostalgic scent of pumpkin pie, cinnamon, and cloves. This delightful potpourri captures that very essence and brings the spirit of fall right into your living space. Made with natural elements, it not only enhances your home's ambiance but also assures you of a long-lasting fragrance. So, how do you use this potpourri? Well, it's as easy as pie. Simply take the potpourri bag out of its packaging and place it in a bowl or a vase. You can let it sit out in your favorite spot, be it the living room, kitchen, or even a cozy reading nook. The beautiful dried orange slices and cinnamon sticks make for a lovely decorative touch, while the fragrant elements disperse throughout the room. One of the best things about this product is its versatility. Not only does it serve as a fragrance enhancer, but it can also double as an eye-catching centerpiece. It's perfect for seasonal decor, dinner parties, or even as a thoughtful gift for friends and family who appreciate the warm flavors of fall. Now, let's talk about what sets this pumpkin spice potpourri apart. First off, its use of natural ingredients ensures that you're not just masking unpleasant odors. You're infusing your space with a scent that feels authentic and comforting. Each bag is thoughtfully crafted to blend the classic fragrances of pumpkin, nutmeg, and cinnamon with the added freshness of dried fruits, making the experience truly immersive. For those who worry about safety, let me reassure you. The potpourri is designed only for decorative purposes. You won't want to eat those enticing-looking cinnamon sticks or orange slices, but they do look fantastic on display and fill your home with an enchanting scent. As the evenings grow longer and the weather gets cooler, there's something incredibly comforting about coming home to the scent of pumpkin spice. It evokes feelings of nostalgia, reminding us of family gatherings, holiday feasts, and the simple joys of the season. With this potpourri, you can create that ambiance in your home. Whether you're curled up with a good book, hosting a gathering, or simply unwinding at the end of a long day, the best pumpkin spice potpourri will make your space feel warm and welcoming. It's about more than just fragrance, it's about creating memories and enjoying the moment. So if you're ready to transform your home into a fall paradise, this is the potpourri for you. Don't miss out on bringing that delightful pumpkin spice aroma into your living space. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews. Until next time, happy decorating!